Hi all, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. Here in this video, I want to share with you all the regularly using the cooking pans and pots. I just want to share with you all. One of the best items for everyday cooking is the steel utensils. Um, so the nutrients will not get disturbed, will not get spoiled. One of the finest metal that we can use it in our regular cooking, so they are perfect for my cooking. And I always look for the size of the pan that I am using. It should be correct, it should be medium. If it is a big one, I cannot use it on a daily basis. So all these are all very small size or medium size. So I used to use all of them separately for each and every. From it, I also use this non-stick pan from IKEA, and also this cast iron non-ceramic coated pan, and the large cast iron pan. I use it regularly. This is a most used pan and I like this one a lot. This is a steel pan. I purchased this one from Costco. This is a Kalpanal brand. I have been using it from past 4 years. Still this is looking very shiny, and for most of my day of cooking I will be using this one. It came as a set of three. So another in set, this is also one of the pans, so I'm using this one from a long time. So for these two things, this is the lid, you can cover it with this one. So these are the three things. Mostly I will be using this pan a lot because it's a very good size for everyday cooking, and also it is a steel and it is so thick, so it will not burn, any cooking will not be burned. So and it is also dishwasher safe, you can just rinse it off, and you can also hand wash it. I like this one a lot, even though it is a little bit heavy, but for everyday cooking this is so good. This is my small pan, recently I purchased from India. And this is so good, this is also so thick enough. So I usually cook for only 2 people in this one. Any curry I prefer this one since it is so small. It is occupying very less space, and it is so good. You can see how thick it is. So I like this one a lot. This is another saucepan I purchased from Alclad. So it is one of the set. I'll be using this one because of the soups or to make noodles. I'll be using it. This is kind of little bit deep. This is also very. This is another my steel pan. I'll be using this one a lot too. This I purchased from India. This is also 3-ply steel one, so it has 3 layers. I like this one almost every day because I will be frying a lot of curries. It's like kind of a big quantity. I also made a video about a Vinod kadai, so this is a good size. This is one of my regularly using pan. This is the non-stick. I purchased this one from IKEA. This is wide enough, and also this is very thick. This is a high heat resistance non-stick pan, so I like this so much. So I use this one to fry my tofu non-stick. So for something to mix it on any curries and all, I like this one. This is a medium size non-stick ceramic coated pan. I am also using this one a lot. This is also very nice for everyday cooking. This is a large cast iron ceramic coated non-stick pot. This is so heavy and it is so good to use on a daily basis. Since it is a cast iron, it is also very good to use in our daily cooking, and also it is a ceramic non-stick coated, so it is convenient to use for any bigger cooking and all. So this is also very nice pot. This is a cast iron pan from large brand. This is also very nice size, and we can also use it for everyday cooking, but it cannot be dishwashed. So but it is very thick enough, and it is also good to keep the nutrients. for daily cooking. All the varieties of pots and pans I'll be using on a daily basis for my cooking. Depending on the type and size of the curry or dish, I will be selecting one of these pots and pans. Thank you for watching. If you like any of them, please comment down below.